It's been more than 2 months since the governor of Georgia issued a stay-at-home order in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. During that time, faculty and staff members of the University of West Georgia have worked tirelessly to transition to online instruction, host a virtual commencement ceremony, and more importantly, continue all the good work of the university in pursuit of our mission, despite extraordinary circumstances. Now it's time to begin returning our faculty and staff to in-person operations to continue to overcome the challenges this pandemic has presented our institution. Beginning Monday, June 15th, we will begin the carefully considered and thoughtfully phased return to campus for our faculty and staff. Some of our employees have already returned to campus and have begun to work to ensure that we have the safest return to work possible. But June 15th will mark the official start of Phase 1 of our Return to Campus plan, with essential personnel returning to in-person operations. Phase 2 will follow, beginning Monday, July 6th, with those members of our faculty and staff who offer basic campus services working on campus. Then there's Phase 3, starting on July 20th, when extended campus services will be offered on campus as we get closer to the start of the fall semester. And finally, Phase 4, which will begin on August 3rd, a little bit more than a week before the first day of fall classes on August 12th. If you're expected to join us back on campus during Phase 1, you can expect more specific information from your division's vice president or department head later today. In developing a course of action, the health and safety of our colleagues continues to be the highest priority of our university. With that in mind, we will deploy several on-site practices to keep everyone safe and healthy. Social distancing. Those of us who've been working on campus for some time already practice this. We keep our distance from each other when we pass each other in the hall. We refrain from shaking hands, opting for a friendly wave instead. We're working to ensure that our facilities and workstations are properly cleaned to accommodate a safe work environment for everyone. But you can help by increasing your own personal hygiene practices, like washing your hands often and for at least 20 seconds. We're also asking our employees to monitor their own temperature and any relevant symptoms that may show that they aren't healthy enough to return to work. Our employees should let their supervisors know if they're experiencing any symptoms related to COVID-19. Our hope with these protocols is to build a culture of mutual respect for each other as we return to campus. We ask that you're respectful of what people are and are not comfortable with when it comes to not only COVID-19, but daily life as well. We're all navigating a great deal of change in a relatively short amount of time. So please show your fellow faculty and staff members the care and respect that you'd like to be shown. Thank you for everything you've done to keep the University of West Georgia moving forward during a time when pressing pause would have been an easy option, but not necessarily the right one for our university. Take care of yourself and those around you. Be well.